Hi all, today we bring you a new generation tire changer from U-625. This machine adopts a discless design. The column and the box body are strengthened. It is equipped with an independent tire pressing helper arm. This helper arm is equipped with an extended cylinder, which can better adapt to different types of tires. It is mainly used for help tire pressing during tire mounting, and here equipped with a preset inflator. It's handheld, and you can preset the inflation pressure number. After that, you can choose automatic inflation or handheld inflation. Very convenient. It's chargeable. It has a rechargeable battery pack inside. The operation panel is located directly in front of the machine. The first foot pedal is for our backward tilting arm. The second one is a tire lifter used in conjunction with the central flange shaft. The tire can be moved over horizontally. Then through the central flange shaft, lock the tire, make it easier for tire change. The foot pedal on the right, it's the motor. It is an integrated 2-speed motor. During our pedaling process, it will change from slow to fast with infinitely variable speed. On the other side, it's the function of helper arm. On the left is the tire press. It is the helper arm with multiple functions, such as tire pressing, tire removal, and tire loosening. Here is its control handle. The upper handle can control the upper tire pressing arm. The lower handle controls the lower tire pressing arm. In the middle, it is used to adjust its ascent and descent to cooperate with our tire installation and removal. This machine is also equipped with a tire pressing shovel. This machine with an anti-pinch function. It means that if the tire pressing shovel is caught by the tire when shoveling the tire, it can get out of a jam. There is air pressure to push it open. Next, we will take everyone to conduct a practical demonstration.